Alright, video blog check everybody. Azrael here. We're doing another tech unboxing, no? So I have here the Honor X7e smartphone from Honor Philippines. Medyo na late tayo mag-unbox, no? But na-promote naman natin to ng maaga, no? So itong pinakang special nitong phone na to, no, from Honor Philippines, tong Honor X7e is merong malaking battery specs, 7,500 milliampere. Grabe. Actually, ginamit ko 'to sa Thailand, kaya ako hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi pumunta ako ng Thailand at dinala ko 'to to take some photos around, 'no. So, okey naman siya. But actually, yung battery na ginagamit ko from 2 weeks ago is still running sa phone na ito, 'no. So, before I unbox this, 'no, discuss ko muna sa inyo yung tech specs rundown natin ng Honor X7e from Honor Philippines. Alright, let's do the, tech specs. Alright, let's do this. Alright, ito na yung tech specs ni Honor X7e from Honor Philippines. For the display, meron siyang 6.61 inches TFT LCD display na may video resolution na 1604 by 720. Meron siyang 120 Hz refresh rate at 1010 nits na peak brightness and 16.7 millions of colors. Meron siyang eye comfort and dynamic dimming feature. At yung kanyang screen, gumagamit siya ng alumino silicate glass, kaya medyo matibay-tibay ito. At meron siyang multi-touch gestures up to 10 touch points. Meron siyang AI sleep display, dark mode, at e-book mode sa kanyang display. For the body ni Honor X7e, meron siyang 204 grams na weight, 163.9 mm na height, 75.9 mm na width, at 8.92 mm depth or thickness. At ang kanyang IP rating is IP64, dust and water resistance. Uy, okay ito ah. At meron siyang 5-star SGS Premium Drop Protection na meron 1.8 meter drop protection. So kahit mahulog tong phone na ito, magsusurvive siya. For the CPU, gumagamit siya ng MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra. This is octa-core with the GPU of ARM Mali G52MC2. For the OS, gumagamit siya ng Magic OS 10 based on Android 16. So, updated to. For the memory, there's 3 variants, 6GB of RAM plus 128GB of storage, and 6GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage. At saka yung pangatlo, it's 8GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage. At meron siyang microcard support, no, for memory expansion. So, sacrifice nyo yung pangalawang SIM para makabit nyo yung isang micro SD card niyo dun sa SIM tray. For the camera specs, the Honor X7e, for the rear camera, it's 50 megapixel main camera na may 1.8 aperture at meron siyang auxiliary lens at meron siyang image resolution na 8160 by 6112 na pixel. For the video niya, can do recording 1080p 30 fps at meron siyang up to 10x digital zoom. Pwede kayong mag-zoom dito. At meron siyang rear flash at kanyang capture mode is portrait, time-lapse, night video, slow-mo, high-res panorama pro, at photo. For the front camera, it's only 5 megapixel, may 2.2 aperture, na mayroong image resolution na 2592 by 1936 pixel. At for the video recording, can do up to 1080p 30 fps. At meron siyang 2D face recognition. At for the capture mode is portrait, photo, and video. And now, let's go to the battery specs, the Honor X7e. Ito yung selling point niya, no? Meron siyang 7,500 milliampere of battery. Malaki yung battery specs na ito, no? At meron siyang 45 watts na Honor Supercharge na merong 1,000 plus charging cycle. Sabihin nun, well-tested ito, 1,000 charging cycles sa battery na ito. It's still okay. At meron siyang 6 years of battery lifespan. So, mahaba-haba ang inyong paggamit ng phone na ito. At for the battery specs na 7,500 na milliampere o 7,500, kayang-kaya niya, no, magtagal ng 31 hours, 0.7 long video playing sa phone Honor X7e. And for the other specs, ito ay 4G network, dual nano SIM, 2.4 and 5 GHz ang kanyang Wi-Fi, Bluetooth is 5.1, OTG support siya, at this is a USB Type-C port na merong ear jack na 3.5 mm. So may ear jack siya, no? So yung mga earphones niyo pwede nyo isaksak dito. Meron siyang NFC, fingerprint sensor, meron siyang Honor Sound, 300% stereo sound volume, lakas-lakas ang kanyang volume, at meron siyang AI button, smart smart suggestion, no? So meron pa siyang extra button for the AI thing. Can do a AI, kumbaga tools ninyo for AI memories, writing, eraser, upscale, remove reflection, out painting, and eyes open. Uy, grabe to, no? Pakaganda nitong phone na 'to 'no, ang daming mga AI tools din siya 'no. At for the body color, available siya in sunrise orange, light blue, and midnight black. And for the SRP, si Honor Philippines na-introduce ito for a price of 14,999. Siguro 'pag bibili ka sa mga physical stores 'no, ito yung price niya. But if you're going to buy this, the Honor X7e sa online store like in Lazada, Shopee, TikTok Shop, the official stores ni Honor Philippines, you can get this for a price of 11,960 or up to 12,999. 949, ayan. So either 11,000 or 12,000 kasi mag-iba yung pricing na nakita ko sa Shopee, sa Lazada, tsaka TikTok Shop. But during the initial launch, no, yung kanilang Shopee sale, oh, binenta nila to for 9,000 plus, no. So this is an online exclusive. So if you're going to buy, suggest ko kunin niyo na lang to sa official online store ni Honor Philippines sa Shopee, Lazada at TikTok to get a much lower pricing. So ayun, ang ating tech specs ng Honor X7e from Honor Philippines, no? Ito na yung pinakahihintay natin. Let's do the unboxing. All right, let's do this. Alright, let's do a hands-on test with the Honor X7e. Ito yung nakuha ko. It's midnight black. Pero ang ganda ng forma niya. Bakit? Kasi yung kanyang ring dito sa camera, no? Camera module, no? Parang may pagka-shiny gold yung dating niya. So medyo may pagka-premium feel siya, no? For this, they call it the budget or mid-range phone, no? So ito yung tsura niyang likod niya. At sa harapan, ito siya. Ayan. Ito siya. Ayan. For the screen, there's the front camera. Sa taas, there's the 3.5mm ear jack, tsaka yung speaker tsaka microphone. Here sa left side, it's the yung SIM tray tsaka yung AI smart button. Ito siya. Sa ilalim, it's may microphone dito and also USB Type-C. At power button for the fingerprint na rin din, sensor, ito na rin din, tsaka yung volume. So, ito siya. Ayan. So naka-ano naman ako 'no, naka-facial recognition naman ako. So I need to swipe up ko na lang 'no. So yung sa left side, it's the AI button. Click natin 'no. Ayun, so yun may mga suggestion na lumalabas 'no. If you wanna do something at, yun yung kanyang features. So I think it can be customized, eh, 'no. Naka-customize kaya yung button na yun. I think so 'no, baka puwedeng i-customize 'no, or dun sa settings 'no, kung gusto mong gawan ng command. And let's try the fingerprint scan. Gumagana ba? Uy, hindi gumagana. Nag-unlock. Ayun ang problema dito 'pag ginagamit mo 'no. Ayan, unlock. Okey. Kasi nakikita ata yung mukha ko, eh. So let's do it again. Ayan. Ayun, nag-unlock na. It's very fast 'no, for the unlocking of the phones, using biometrics and also facial recognition. So, ito nag-install na ako ng Call of Duty. We're going to test that soon. That's the screen, it's very responsive. Mabilis naman din siya. Ayan, nakakapag-browse naman ako. Here's the, menu, notifications. Ito yung menu, ayan. So, pwede mo pa siyang habaan at makita mo pa yung iba pang menu. Ayan, may quick share, ayan. Let's check out the memory. Yeah, let's go to the about the phone, and we got a additional 6 GB of RAM. So 6 GB of RAM plus 6 GB of Honor RAM Turbo. That's 12 GB of RAM natin. With a 2.5, ano to? Internal ko pala is 128. Okay, medyo malit lang pala to, no? I got the other variant, 128 GB of storage. Alright, so let's check out the camera. Ito yung camera niya. So usually it's only 1x, 2x up to 10x lang siya. Ayan. And for the video, it's 1x, 2x up to 10x na rin din. There's also photo mode, portrait, night mode na hanggang 2x, hanggang 10x din yung niya, yung night mode niya. Alright, that's nice. Pero pag portrait, it's hanggang 2x lang talaga, no? There's also professional mode. Ayan, kung gusto mag-tinker yung mga shutter speed, aperture, ayan. At more slow motion, panorama, time-lapse, high-res. Yun lang yung niya, shooting operation niya na sa ibang no. So wala nang iba. Wala siyang dual video, wala rin siyang other. Pero may time-lapse. That's very important yung time-lapse, no. For the photo, let's check the selfie. Here's a selfie camera. That's mabilis siyang pumindot, no? So, may flash, ratio natin is 4:3. May filters. Nice, may filters. May mga filter effect, pero usually, lang ako, default lang ako. And level, grid line, yan. Timer, meron din siya. So, sa rear camera, ganun din. Same na rin din. And for the video, for the front camera, 1080p 30 fps. At gawa tayong testing. Hello, testing. Doing a selfie video recording. Test. Check natin yung audio nito. Ayan. Kung malakas. Selfie video recording. Check natin yung audio. Okay din. Malakas yung kanyang mic pickup, no? So, ayan na pa ba? Usually the screen is very nice. And we're going manood tayo ng YouTube, for example. Let's go to my channel. Ayan. Okay, login tayo. Kaka-login ko lang ng YouTube. Ayan, let's go here. Let's go to videos. And let's play something na merong parang intro music, for example, here. Ito. Wow! Ang lakas ng audio! Grabe. Ito pa. Check everybody, Azrael here. We're doing a unboxing of a Marvel goodie bag. Wow. This from Marvel. Malakas yung malakas yung audio ng YouTube. That is very nice. That is very nice. So, nag-install na rin ako ng Call of Duty, no? At we're going to do a gaming test soon. So, abangan ninyo, no? At since kaka-install ko lang at kababalik lang natin from Thailand. Di ko na ito na-unbox, but ginamit ko to in taking pictures. Masabi ko naman the camera is not that perfect, but pwede na for its budget, no? Sa makapag-take ka ng picture na hindi blurred. So, eto na. We're going to play Call of Duty mamaya, no? So, what else? Let's read some vlogs. Blogs pala, blog. May blog website kung anong itsura niya, no? So, uy, ay gumalaw, ay gumana. Ayan, yan, yan, yan. Ayun, ang aking website. Very okay siya, no? Very readable. Okay naman siya. At eto, yung Pokemania, Pokemon thing. Ayan. Okay, very readable. Very responsive yung screen niya, no? And I'll show you some photos no, na-take ko dun sa Thailand. Eto. This is sa Pandora in Siam Paragon Mall, I think, or MBK yata ito. I'm not sure kung anong mall to. So just take, sa MBK nga, MBK Center. So ito yung mga shots ko. I'm just experimenting, no. Tsaka maganda yung ano, yung lighting shots niya, low light shots niya, no. Medyo parang kala mo parang lumang digital camera, but still it's quite okay, 'di ba? Pwede na, pwede na. Ayan, na-take ako ng mga pictures ng toys. That's in Daiso in MBK Center, souvenirs, pati yung mga traffic. There's Naruto. Ayan, malls, sidewalks. So, it's very pagka-retro yung camera niya, no? Hindi na ako gumamit ng filters dito, Kasi, medyo hindi ko kasi gusto yung mga filters effect, eh. Parang ito, I can adjust it. Pero wala na akong in-edit dito, no? This is very simple shot. Ito yung pinakagusto kong shot dito kasi parang retro yung style niya. Ito rin. I think dito naka-filter ako, nagkamali ako, Naka-filter ata ako dito, eh. Kitang-kita ko naman sa itsura niya, naka-filter ako, eh. So, ayun. So, that's it for the Honor X7E. Dun sa naka-miss nung Shopee sale nila, no, na 9,000 lang to, no. Abangan nyo, baka ibalik nila yun, no. So, if ever you're looking for a phone na may mataas ang battery specs, check out na lang itong si Honor X7E. Suggest ko, go to the Honor Philippines store sa mga malls and try this phone para at least kung you're planning to buy, pasok sa budget ninyo, at least try nyo muna bago kayo bumili, no. Pero for me, it's okay siya, no. Okay siya. Okay siya. Pero ako kasi medyo mas fast na yung requirement sa akin para mas gusto ko yung mga higher. Pero ito, ginagamit ko na to, no, which is very nice. And also mas maganda, it's lagyan nyo ng jelly case for added protection. Kahit na meron siyang SGS certification for the screen, kahit bagyo siyang ganun, di ba? Okay pa rin siya kasi yung jelly case, it still will protect the phone. So that's it, guys, for our vlog for today. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Thank you so much, Honor Philippines, for this. And this is the Honor X7E. All right.